Good morning children. So today we are going to see division by algorithm method. Okay, this is the method, standard method that people are using to divide numbers. Okay, so now we are going to see example 1 which is in page number 102. So everyone take page number 102 and start following the sums. Now first one, what you should do is divide 7434 by 6. The symbol minus and 2 dots on top and down is what division symbol is, that you know, right? So now we are going to solve the sums. First question is divide 7434 by 6. Okay, you are going to use this 6. Okay, the number which you are using to divide other number is called divisor. Okay, so you are dividing it. This 6 will be called divisor. Now, whenever you want to divide a number, what you will do is you will use this table where you will have a curve and a line on top. Okay, so what you should do is you should write the bigger number, first number, inside this 7434, and then you will write the divisor on the outside. Okay, the number you have written outside is called divisor, and the number which is inside is called dividend. Okay, so now we'll solve the sum and I'll give you few more names. Okay, first what you should do is you should look into the first number inside. Here if you look, this is 7. 7 is greater than 6, right? So what you will do? You will start telling the tables of the divisor. So here the divisor is 6. So what you should do is you should start telling 6 tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. But when you look at this number, here you have 7, right? 7 lies between 6 and 12. 7 is between 6 and 12, but 7 is not there. You are not getting 7 in 6 tables, right? So what you should do is you should go to the smaller number. 6 ones are 6, right? So 6 multiplied by 1 gives you 6, you will write. First what you will do, you look into the highest place value number. Your highest place value is 1000, 7000. In that place you have 7. So you will compare this 7 with 6. So that 7 is greater than 6. So what you will do? You will start telling 6 tables. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 12 is greater than 7. So you will go to the number before. Before is 6 ones are 6. So 6 multiplied by 6 will give you 6. Now what you should do is you should subtract them. So you should subtract 7 from 6. So 7 minus 6 is 7 in your hand and you have to subtract 6 from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remaining is 1. So you will write this one on the down. Now what you should do is you should get the next number to the down. Okay, so when you get the next number down, next number is 4. So you will put 4 here. Then what you should do? You should again start telling tables. Which tables you should say? You should tell the divisor table. Your divisor is 6. So you will start telling tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So 6 threes are 18 is greater than 14, right? So what you will do? You will go to the number before, which is 6 twos are. 6 twos are what? 12. So 6 multiplied by 2 gives you 12. Now what you should do? You should subtract them. So when you subtract here, see this is 2-digit number and down also you will having 2-digit number. So what you should do in subtraction, you should subtract from the right corner. Here you have 4 and here you have 2. So 4 minus 1, 2, remaining is 2. And here you have 1, down also you are having 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what you should do? Like the previous step, you will again get down the next number, which is 3. So you will put 3 down. Now what you should do? You should start telling divisor table, which is 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Look at here, you have 23 and 6 fours are what you got? 24. 24 is greater than 23. So what you should do? You should go to the number before, which is 6 threes are. So 6 threes are 18. So 6 multiplied by 3 gives you 18. Now what you should do? You should subtract 23 from 18. So we'll do this subtraction separately. 23 minus 18. So here you have 3. Here you have 3 and here you have 8. Can you subtract 3 from 8? No, right? So what you should do? You should borrow from the previous number, which is 2. If you borrow 1 from here, you have 2 and you are borrowing 1. So how many is remaining? 1 will be here. And you borrowed 1 here. So you will write 1, 3, 13. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you got 13 ones and you have to subtract how many? 8 from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is gone. How many ones are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is remaining. And here you have 1. Here also you have 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you should write 0, 5 here. Now what you should do? You should get the next number down, which is 4. So if you write 4 here, you got 54. Then what you should do? You should start telling 6 tables, right? Divisor table. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54. So 6 multiplied by 9 gives you 54. Now what you should do? You should subtract them like always. So when you subtract 4 from 4, this is 2-digit number. So you will start from the right side corner. So in the right side corner you have 4. So when you subtract 4 minus 4, you will get 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Right. Now here you have 5 and down also you have 5. So 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? 0. Now you got 1, 2, 3, 9 on the top and down you got 0, 0. So 0. This term that you have written on the top is what? Quotient is. And the last one, 0 you got, right? That is what? Remainder. Okay. So today you learned 4 terms. First one is dividend. The number which you are going to divide. That is what dividend is. And the number which you are using to divide the dividend is divisor. And the next term is quotient. Quotient is the multiplication number you are using, right? That is what quotient is. And the remainder is the last whatever you get. Okay, 0 you may get, 1 may you get, 2 may you get. Okay, so those are all remainder. Okay, so now we are going to solve second question. Example 2. divide 8428 by 7. Now what you should do is, you should divide 8428 by 7. So what you should do? You should first put this table, and then next what you will do is, you will write the dividend. Here what is the dividend? 8428 inside the table. And then what is the divisor? Here 7. You are using 7 to divide them, right? So 7 will be your divisor. Now what you should see? You should first look into the highest place value number here. See here, this is units, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 1000 is the highest place value, right? So in place of highest place value, what is the number? 8. So 8, here you have 7. Now what you should do? You should start telling 7 table, divisor table. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. See here you have 8. 8 is smaller than 14, right? But 8 is greater than 7. Now what you should do? You should leave the larger number and go to the number before, which is 7. So 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. So 7 multiplied by 1 gives you 7. Now what you should do? You should subtract them both, right? So here you have 8 and here you have 7. So what you should do? You should subtract 7 from 8. This is 8. So now what you are going to do? You are going to subtract 7 from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is gone, right? So how many is remaining? 1. So you should write 1 down. Now what you should do? You should bring the next number down, which is 4. Now what you should do? You should start telling the divisor table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 14 is here. So 7 twos are 14. 7 multiplied by 2 gives you 14. Now you have to subtract them. Since this is a 2-digit number, you start with the right side corner. Right side corner you have 4 on the top, down also 4. So 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many is remaining? 0. So 0 you will write. Here you have 1 and down also you have 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 again. So you got 0, right? Now what you should do? You should get the next number down, which is 2. Look at here, you have 2. So what you should say? You should start telling 7 table. 7 into 0 is equal to 0. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7 is greater than 2. So what you will do? You will go to the number before, that is 7 zeros are 0. So 7 multiplied by 0 gives you 0. Now what you should do? You should subtract them, right? So 2 here you have and 0 you have. 2 minus 0. You are not going to subtract anything because it's 0, right? So you will get 2 as it is. Next what you should do? You should get the next number down, which is 8. When you get 8 down, you get 28. So what you should do? You should start telling 7 table again. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. You got 28. So you don't have to go further. So 7 fours are 28. Now what you should do? You should subtract 28 from 28. Whenever you are subtracting, you should start from the End, right, rightmost corner. Here you have 8 and here you have 8. So 8 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 8 is what? 0. You will put 0 here. And here you have 2 on the top and 2 on the down. So 2 subtracted from 2. 1, 2. How many is remaining? 0. So you will put 0 on the down. Now here this is dividend and this is divisor, and here this is quotient, and the 0 is remainder. Okay.